Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot without using side buttons. The first way to do it is to slide down from the top and press on this icon to take a screenshot. There's also another option which you can enable in settings. Let's go to settings, then system, screenshots. Now you can check if full screen capture is toggled on. If it is, then you can go back to the place you want to screenshot and swipe 3 fingers down to take a screenshot. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.